In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps on Windows 11. First method is to repair or reset Microsoft Store app. Right-click on the Start icon and select Settings. Go to Apps and select Apps and Features. Type Microsoft Store in the search bar and click on it. Click on the three dots and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section. Firstly, try to repair it. If it doesn't work, go to the Reset option. Restart your system and try downloading the application from the Microsoft Store again. Second method is to run a system file checker. Open the Task Manager by typing Task Manager and click on it. Go to File and select Run New Task. Click on the Browse button and navigate to the following path. C. Windows System 32. Find the CMD file, select it, and click Open. Or you can just search for CMD on the search bar and run it as an administrator. Type the command sfc/scan now and hit Enter. The process will take 20 to 30 minutes to complete, and once done, restart your system. The third method is to check disk for errors. Open the command prompt with administrative privilege again as done in method 2 and type the command check dsk/f/r and hit Enter. Follow the on-screen instructions if prompt to schedule the disk check and restart your system after the process is complete. And by following these methods, you can fix the Microsoft Store not downloading apps problem. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this